Hi guys, it's Mike here. Today I'm back with the AAA cards challenges. It's number 204, along the edge plus the twist to use snow or snowflakes like I did. It was our DT member Seal's choice to use snow or snowflakes. They're both the same, I think. I have these border dice. They are Dutch brands, but I'm sure there's similar ones available. This one I'm using is from Studio Light. I can't remember how old it is, but again, it's not about the products, it's about the design. And it doesn't fit the other way, so I have to do it this way. And I made a side folding card, because otherwise it would topple over if I made a top folding card like I usually do. I like my top folding cards. They photograph so nicely. I'm sticking it down with post-its on the side where it will kind of cut down. That's better, I think. And yeah, I had to use quite a lot of pressure, extra shims, the precision base plate, more cardstock in between, so I got an impression there, but yeah, I'm just trying to iron it out. But yeah, that's because I have the normal big shot and I can only pass it through this way and not lengthwise. And it would have been better, I think, for cutting it, but I managed. And yeah, make sure you don't use cardstock that's too thick if you want to do something like this, because die cutting was a pain. But I have snow. And I want to emboss the back of it, or the backing, the other side. And I went with Midnight Dream. It's so pretty. It's also, because you see the blue one, or the ice silver, or this one is peacock, vintage peacock. It's very pale, where I went with the darker one because it looks more elegant. And here's a one that I tried earlier with thick cardstock that I always use, and they couldn't get it out. I thought I would put a backing on, but that's another layer and not at all necessary, so I figured I would just put the embossing on the card base backing. Yeah. And because of the pressure, some of the sticky from the post-it transferred. You can see me trying to erase that as well. It wasn't my best card. At first I just wanted to heat emboss stamped snowflakes along the edge, but yeah, then I made my life more difficult. Like I tend to do. So I'm masking off where, the snowflakes end. I'm trying to get it straight, but it shifts around. See, that's enough, so I can swipe it with the Versamagic ink. There were a few hairs in there, so ignore that. Just one cat hair, but some fiber thingies. And yeah, I missed the topping of the embossing powder on top. The battery died. But yeah, you know how that works, and then you heat set it and it melts and it looks so gorgeous and pretty and so elegant. I thought the darker one color would look much more stylish, in my opinion. And you can do gold, blue, red, green, or purple if you want. I mean, I went for blue because that's kind of icy. I started at the bottom here, but then I changed my mind because the sentiment I'm using is very long. And I need my ruler to place it straight against. And it's from my favorite things. Bitty Holiday Wishes, I believe. I didn't take it with me to the desk, stupid, huh? But it says Winter Wishes and Snowflake Kisses. So I thought that was so nice. See, this is where I tried it. There was a dip in the middle. And here I'm actually okay. It's straight. And it doesn't wobble or bow. And it was quite hard to get that straightened or lined up. And I'm just using Versafine ink. I tried to look for blue in my mementos that match or my cardigan. There wasn't any that dark. But yeah, that's the card finished. If you want to play along, the links are down below as usual. And remember to stay clean and simple. And I hope to see you in our blog, and let's see what you make, because I'm always curious. Thank you for watching, I hope to see you again soon. Until then, bye!